Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps I Want Candy 4x6 clear stamp set. This sweet Halloween stamp set includes 8 candy images and 2 sentiments. I'm a big fan of candy corn images for some reason, so this stamp set was screaming for me to stamp the images out and get busy coloring as soon as possible. This little candy corn in the bottom center is so cute. I love the attention to detail on each of the sentiments in this set, the trick or treat with the stars and dots, and the I want candy with the eyeball. Such fun details. Color the images with your favorite coloring mediums, then run them through your scan and cut or fussy cut the images out to create fun cards, tags for treat boxes, or cupcake toppers. The possibilities are endless. I have a few samples to share with you. Here I used the spiderweb background stamp to set a not so spooky scene, then layered the colored images on using mounting foam. I layered papers from the Hocus Pocus paper pack to create a bright background on this card. Now, of course, I had to use this image as much as possible. Okay, let me know what you think about the I Want Candy stamp set in the comments below. And for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.